If you want to add your favorite sports teams and athletes on Facebook, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. It's a simple way to personalize your profile and show the teams and athletes you follow, whether you're into football, basketball, cricket, soccer, or any other sport. And if you enjoy easy Facebook tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on Facebook, look at the top corner of the screen and click your profile icon to open your profile page. This is where you can edit the personal details and interests that appear on your account. On your profile page, look for the Edit option. Click on it to open your profile settings. Depending on your screen layout, this may appear as an Edit Profile button or an Edit section inside your profile page. Once the Edit area opens, scroll through the available options until you find the Interests section. Now click Interests. Facebook organizes interests into categories, so this is where you can add things like movies, music, sports, and more. In this tutorial, we're focused on sports, so look for the Sports Teams and Athletes option and click it. This is the category that lets Facebook know which teams and athletes you want to highlight on your profile. After clicking Sports Teams and Athletes, you'll see a search bar or selection area. Type the name of the sports team or athlete you want to add. For example, you can search for your favorite football club, basketball team, or a specific athlete you follow. As you type, Facebook will show matching results. Select the correct team or athlete from the search results. You can repeat this process if you want to add more than one favorite. Take your time and make sure you choose the right one, especially if there are similar names or multiple pages with similar titles. Once you've selected everything you want, click Save. This is the final step that confirms your changes and adds the sports teams and athletes to your Facebook profile. After saving, your profile should reflect the interests you just added. And that's it. You've successfully added your favorite sports teams and athletes in Facebook. It only takes a few moments, but it can make your profile feel more personal and connected to the sports you love. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Facebook tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.